Welcome to 2024 Top 5 Best Action Anime Series. Join us as we explore the year's most thrilling action anime, packed with epic battles, dynamic characters, and compelling stories. Get ready for a countdown that highlights the very best in action-packed entertainment. So let's get started. Number 5. The Unwanted Undead Adventure. The Unwanted Undead Adventure follows Ranfaina, an adventurer who dies in a dungeon and is resurrected as an undead. Despite being shunned by society, Rand continues his quest for adventure and redemption alongside his newfound undead abilities. Rand navigates a world where his presence is feared and misunderstood. The series blends action, fantasy, and theme of identity as Rand confronts his inner struggles and external adversaries. Throughout his journey, Rand forms unlikely alliances and discovers the true meaning of acceptance. The anime explores profound themes of prejudice and resilience, showcasing Rand's growth as he strives to protect those he cares about while grappling with his own identity. With its engaging storyline and character development, The Unwanted Undead Adventure offers a compelling narrative that delves into both the supernatural and human aspects of its protagonist's life. Number 4. Ninja Kamui. Ninja Kamui is an action-packed anime series that revolves around Joy Hagen, a former ninja who left his violent past behind to lead a peaceful life with his family. However, his tranquility is shattered when his old enemy finds him, leading to a brutal attack on his loved ones. To end their deaths, Joe resurrects his ninja persona, Kamui, and embarks on a relentless quest for revenge. The series is known for its intense action sequences, blending traditional ninja skills with modern combat techniques. Ninja Kamui explores the theme of vengeance, redemption, and the struggle between past and present identities. With its intricate plot and dynamic animation, the show captivates audiences by delving deep into the emotional turmoil of its protagonists while delivering adrenaline-pumping action. The series stands out of its complex character development and stunning visual artistry, making it a compelling watch for fans of the genre. Number 3. Windbreaker. Windbreaker follows Haruka Sakura, a delinquent student of Furen High School. The series revolves around Haruka and its teammate in the Bufurin faction, who serves as protector of their hometown Makauchi, set against the backdrop of intense rivalries with groups like Shishitorin. The story explored the emotional and physical dynamics among the characters. It delves into the theme of loyalty, friendship, and duty as the students navigate their roles as both troublemakers and defenders of the community. The manga blends action-packed scenes with heartfelt moments, portraying the growth and development of its characters amidst the challenges they face. Windbreaker captivates readers with its richly detailed world and the intricate relationships that drive its narrative forward. Number 2. Kaiju Number 8. Kaiju Number 8 is an exciting anime and the manga series set in a world besieged by giant monsters called Kaiju. The protagonist Kafka Hibino works a tedious job cleaning up after Kaiju attacks, but secretly aspires to join the defense force, the elite team that battles these creatures. His life takes an unexpected turn when he gains the ability to transform into a kaiju himself, become Kaiju Number 8. With his newfound power, Kafka decides to chase his dream and protect humanity from the very monsters he can now become. The series stands out of its unique blend of action, humor, and emotional depth as Kafka navigates his dual identity, striving to keep his secret while fighting for his dream. Kaiju Number 8 captivates audience with its engaging storyline, well-developed characters, and intense battle scenes, offering a fresh and compelling take on the kaiju genre. Number 1. Solo Leveling. Solo Leveling is a popular South Korean web novel and webtoon that follows the story of Sang Jin-woo, an E-rank hunter in a world where hunters fight with monsters to protect humanity. Initially weak and barely scraping by, Jin-woo's life changed dramatically when he nearly survived a disaster dungeon raid and awakens to a unique ability, the power to level up infinitely, just like in a video game. With this newfound ability, he can become stronger by completing quests and defeating monsters. Jinwoo embarks on a journey from being the weakest hunter to become the most powerful, facing formidable forces and uncovering hidden truth about the mysterious dungeons and the origins of hunters. The series is celebrated for its gripping plot, character development, and stunning artwork, making it a standout in the action and fantasy genre. Its theme of perseverance, growth, and power dynamics resonate deeply with its audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey throughout the top 5 best action anime series of 2024. Which anime was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more anime content. Until next time, keep enjoying the thrilling of action-packed adventure.